Hi everyone, Namaste. This is Harsha Ramaiya, live at 5:30 today. I had promised that I'll come live at 5, but I was having a session and it exceeded the time limit. So I'm sorry. But from tomorrow, definitely I'm going to be here sharp at 5 p.m. for you all. So as I promised today, I'm going to talk about a wonderful game, सांप सीढ़ी, स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स। ये हमारी ज़माने के लोग ये गेम खेलकर बड़े हुए। एंड नाउ दिस गेम, इफ यू गो इन द स्टोर्स एंड आस्क फॉर दिस गेम स्नेक्स एंड लैडर, दैट शॉपकीपर ऑल्सो लुक्स एट यू, सांप सीढ़ी चाहिए। आई मीन in this world of brands and everything, you're looking for a Luna. It is like that, So, but let me tell you that during this lockdown, I have come to know that many of us have played this game, Samp Sidi, Ludo, chess, everything. So now, if I talk about this, definitely you all are going to understand. सबसे पहली मेरी लड़ाई है that play is always told as it is a waste of time. So I thought कि मैं ऐसा सेशन लूँ कि जिसमें I can help the parents understand that play is the work of children and children love and learn lot of things out of this. About snakes and ladders, a beautiful 1 to 100 on it. There are a few snakes, there are a few ladders, and you have those dice with which you play, and those paws जिसको हम गोटी बोलते हैं, उसके साथ हम लोग खेलते हैं. So what children learn, any age children, a 2-year-old, 5-year-old, 15-year-old, 46-year-old, कितने भी एज के बच्चे हो या कितने भी एज के लोग हो, क्या सीखते हैं? नंबर 1, first of all, it is a recreational activity. I think after hearing yesterday about Sushant Singh Rajput, I think it's an alarm for all of us that yes, we need something called a recreational activity in our daily life. We need that fun element every single time. So I think this game is a wonderful package of fun, unlimited. Second, young children when they play, a lot of counting can be developed. And if they are elder children, for example, a 10 se plus agar bacche hain, so then also that counting strategies can be developed through this game. Beautiful counting strategies can be developed through these games, because once they are playing this game, you can always टॉक अबाउट एडिशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन, कुछ भी आप वेरिएशन ला सकते हो. गेम अपनी जगह पर चलती रहती है और आप उसमें वेरिएशन डाल के एक फन एलिमेंट डाल सकते हो. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग दिस गेम, इफ यू द चाइल्ड कम्स एट नंबर 5, you can tell that okay, there is a task on this number and you have to tell the table of 5. So age specific आप कर सकते हो. So if the child is little elder, add a level of difficulty. Then if the child reaches number 16, तो आप उसको बोल सकते हो okay, now which numbers help me to get the answer 16? Come on, add those 2 numbers, or add those 3 numbers, or add those 5 numbers, or add one subtraction sign in between, add one multiplication sign and help me to get that number. So at some point in those 100 numbers, you have to write T कि ये नंबर पे अगर आप आओगे, there is a task and you have to play with that number. What a fun, what a fun. Then ups and downs, ये गेम में सबसे ज्यादा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है is the up and down, because it shows the life's reality that you climb and you come down, you climb and you come down. And you will agree to this point that when children play, and when they are putting their paw on that snakes, and when they come down, you can see those facial expressions. Oh, मैं नीचे आ गई, मैं नीचे आ गया. So these expressions have to come out. They have to, come out of your body, your face and everything, because it is very important. हर एक चीज अंदर दबा के नहीं रखना है. Then interaction, 4-5 friends are playing, so much of fun, कितनी बातें भी होती है. So social development कितना होता है. If you're playing with your family members, you share happiness, you share if you've gone down, and when you go down, others laugh, yay. So that also is learned, because here the world is full of people who will laugh when you fall. So if at this point of time the children learn to accept that laughter, it is going to go a long way. So this game teaches you that when you drop, other people laugh and they clap and they feel happy on your failure. I think this is the bitter reality of today's world. So then is accepting the failure. Accepting the failure इस गेम में बहुत सीखने को मिलता है. I will just share one example when I was playing with my daughter during this lockdown. Every time she's bitten by the snake and she falls down, अब मुझे नहीं खेलना है, I am, હું દરરોજ હારી જ જાઉં છું, મારે નથી રમવું, and she will quit the game. At that point of time is the time when we pump in a little confidence in the children and we help them come back in the game, and gradually they will start understanding that it is winning and losing, it is two parts of a coin and life is like that. And then gradually they start understanding and accepting failure जो है ये इस गेम से ज्यादा किसी गेम में आप सीख नहीं सकते. So this game is a bingo from my side. Then strategy development कितना होता है? So there's a ladder here at suppose 26 number and I am lying at 20 number. So I'm waiting for that 6 to come in. So see how much strategy I'm making, and if I have to reach the 100 and if my friends are ahead of me or they are behind of me, so how much strategy I'm making that, oh my god, I'll have to have that 6 because if I have a 6 I'll have a turn again and then I will go ahead of them, and that kind of strategy making, leadership qualities, team building, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So snakes and ladder game is not a waste of time. In fact, it is an investment to enhance children's social, physical, I would say mental, each and every quality of a child. So make a point that every Sunday we will play snakes and ladder. So I hope you enjoyed this session. These sessions are going to be very, very crisp, very, very short, because this whole week I'm going to talk about different things. So today I have talked about snakes and ladder. Tomorrow I'm coming up with a story, and this story also has a beautiful lesson. So this story is about the two pots. इतना ही मैं आज बताऊंगी. And then this whole week you can just look at my poster, many interesting things I've put on. So if you want anything else to be added on that poster, feel free to write on the comment section box, and I will be happy. जितने लोग जुड़े हैं, at least type snakes and ladder and I will give a like and a heart to that post. So keep watching a Small Wonders page, keep following this page, and keep sharing happiness. Bye.